A lot of people are asking me about how to be successful. Okay? And napakarami ng lumabas na libro, fully book, YouTube, TikTok, all of these online courses. Pero I'm gonna be honest with you. There's only one way to achieve success. Isa lang. No? In fact, I will ilalagay ko na lahat ng mapapanood mo sa YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, including lahat ng mababasa mo sa lahat ng bookstore sa mundo into this one. Without this one, you will never be successful. And with this one, your success is guaranteed. Okay? So, hindi ito paweran, walang hype dito, isa lang talaga. At panoorin mo ito if you truly wanna create massive success. Now, before we continue with that, of course, when we talk about success, let's define it first. Kasi a lot of people will create and have a lot of justification. A lot of people will create a lot of reasoning around what success is. May mga nagsasabi na success is in the high or is open to interpretation. May mga nagsasabi that success is in the eye of the beholder. May mga nagsasabi na iba-iba yung itsura ng success for everybody. Ngayon, kung iba-iba ang itsura ng success for everybody, then that cannot count as success. Kaya siya tinawag na success because it is something that everybody is aspiring for. Now, kung ang success para sa isang tao different than success dun sa kabilang tao, parang hindi, why should I aspire for something kung napaka maliit lang pala niyan? 'Di ba? Or when we have kids, no, yung mga bata, bakit mo sasabihin sa mga anak mo or apo mo or yung mga pamangkin mo na, you know what, paglaki mo, I want you to be successful. I want you to aspire for success if it's just gonna be open to interpretation. So it cannot work that way. That's why the very first thing here is to start defining what success is. Okay? Now, let's define success. For me, success is absolute and never relative. Ibig sabihin ng absolute, it's not open to interpretation. It's not up to another person what success means for them. There's only one definition. There's only one absolute definition of success. And that is living the best life that you could ever possibly live in all areas of your life. Okay? Some people will say, di bali ng mahirap, ang importante nagmamahalan. Bakit mo kailangan ipagkumpara? Success is nagmamahalan at maraming pera. 'Di ba? Hindi pwede mo sabihin na ito na yung success para sa akin, yung meron kaming kompletong pamilya pero kahit mahirap okay na. Ang importante simple lang. No. That's not what success is. You cannot even why should people even compare? 'Di ba? Bakit pa kailangan magkumpara kung pwede namang both? Success could be nagmamahalan, kompleto ang pamilya, and maraming pera. Is it possible to be healthy, loving, wealthy, and spiritual all at the same time? Yes. If you're gonna be aspiring for something anyway, why are you not aspiring to living the best life that you could ever possibly live? And that's what success is for me. No? It is an absolute standard of living the best life that you could ever possibly live in terms of your health, relationships, wealth or money, and your life purpose or your spirit. Okay? Lagi nating sinasabi, you can be happy, healthy, loving, wealthy, and spiritual, and having a fulfilled life all at the same time. Hindi kailangan mamili if you could aspire to be living the best life that you could ever possibly live. Alright? So now, the question here is how? Paano nga ba magiging successful? No, alam mo, napakagandang tanong niyan because sabi ko nga during my introduction, there's only one way. In fact, tanggalin mo itong one way na ito, lahat ng mapapanood mo at mababasa mo at maririnig mo will not work. Totoo. Pero, i-apply mo itong one way na ito, then gagana na yung nabasa mo, gagana na yung napanood mo, gagana na yung napakinggan mo. And you wanna know what that one way is? Isa lang. Kaya nga one way. Follow through. Follow through. Put in follow through in all that you do. Mag-follow through ka sa lahat ng pinangako mo. Promise ko sa'yo, gaganda buhay mo within 1 year. The reason maybe why a lot of people, or maybe ikaw nanonood ka, or may kakilala kang nanonood ngayon, hindi pa rin gumaganda ang buhay kasi ang dami ng pinangako sa buhay pero walang follow through. Ang dami ng pinangako sa sarili na sabi magbabago na ako pero never pa rin nagbabago hanggang ngayon. Na mas importante pang rumason, mas importante pang umexcuse, mas importante pang i-justify why your life is not happening, why your dreams are not being achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, ang pangarap po may deadline. Ladies and gentlemen, dreams have deadline or else it's no longer pangarap, it's just panaginip. Are you with me? And there's only one way to achieve that, and that is to follow through. Can you imagine if you simply applied this one way? Can you imagine if you simply followed through with all of your promises? Successful ka na siguro ngayon. Mas healthy ka na kasiguro ngayon, hindi ka dalaw ng dalaw sa ospital. No? Papa-hospital ka lagi, sabi nung nurse sa'yo, "Ma'am, welcome back." "Sir, welcome back." Bakit? Hindi ka pwedeng suki sa ospital, oy. Or maybe relationships. Baka dumadami na jowa mo, dumadami na failed relationship mo, baka ikaw na yung common denominator. No? I just care enough to tell you this. If you want to be successful, can you imagine if you simply applied follow through in your life? Every New Year, na magsusulat ka ng iyong New Year's resolution, na magsusulat ka ng iyong faith goals. Can you imagine if you simply applied follow through, what would your life have looked like? What will your life would have been like? Ano na kayang itsura ng buhay mo ngayon? A lot of people ang sinasabi nila, una, kailangan mo ng kaalaman. Kasi kapag nalaman mo paano, then you can now start taking action. Then you can now start to create a plan. Then from that plan, you can now start to follow through by taking action. Ako, babaguhin ko, babaliktarin ko. Simulan mo na sa follow through. Kasi kahit anong plano mo, kung walang follow through, walang mangyayari, walang magbabago, kung di ka magbabago. Are we clear? Number 2, simulan mo na sa follow through ngayon pa lang. Ilista mo, no? As a homework. Ilista mo ano yung mga balak mong gawin. Sulat mo na ngayon, tapos gawin mo na. Kaka-overthink mo, wala nang nangyari. Kaka-overanalyze, ano na nangyari, besh? Are you guys getting this? Follow through it first. And then maybe isulat mo dyan, Coach Migs, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Okay, ilista mo yan. Sa mga bagay na ipa-follow through mo, learn how to X, learn how to Y, learn how to Z. Then start following through. Lalo na with the age today, there's already AI na who's smarter than all of us. There's already machine learning, artificial intelligence that can work for you. In fact, no, in my own company, 20% of my staff are now AI. They're no longer humans. Why? Mas magaling, mas matalino, mas mabilis, wala pang arte. Now that AI can work for you, now that machine learning can now work for you, oh, siya yung tanungin mo, how do I do this? How do I do that? And then, start to research. Doon ka manood ng YouTube, doon ka magbasa ng libro. Pero simulan mo muna sa number 1, follow through. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi mong gagawin mo, gagawin mo. Kapag sinulat mong gagawin mo, gagawin mo. Hindi bukas, hindi sa makalawa, ngayon na. You start that, I will tell you, your life will change next year. Yan lang ang only difference between successful people and brokies. I tell you, follow through. Simulan mo sa follow through, then sundan mo sa how to. then start researching how to, dahil may follow through ka na, automatically lahat ng mga makakalap mo na information, lahat ng mga makakalap mo na data, alam ko, aaksyonan mo, tutugunan mo, you will be in the field, you will go start taking action. Why? Because you have followed through. Yan lang promise ko sa'yo. And your success will be closer than ever. Yan lang sabi ko sa'yo, tanggalin mo, forget about being successful. That's the power, ladies and gentlemen, of following through. Alright? I hope marami kang nakuhang value ngayon. I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo. No? I hope nagising ang inner greatness mo kasi magaling ka naman. Kailangan na lang umaksyon. Okay? And if you like more contents like this, follow for more.